All right, guys. I'm just going to make a quick video to show you how to do complex numbers on your calculator. So the first thing that you want to do is click on Mode. And when you get to the menu, you're going to want to scroll down here to where it says Real. Most of the time, your calculator will say Real. But when you want to do complex numbers, you have to highlight A plus BI and then hit Enter. And then once you're in complex mode, you hit second mode, which is quit. See that little blue word that says quit? And then you just plug in the complex numbers, however. So remember, on a complex number, you have a real component plus the imaginary component. Now, the I is right here. So you're going to hit second and then the decimal point, and that's how you get the I. Okay? So if I wanted to say the complex number 2 plus 4i plus 6 plus 5i, when I hit the calculator, it's going to spit out the answer. Now, this is how you double check your work. The same thing applies for multiplying. And this is, what's nice about this is, remember the I squared, so if I plug in I squared, that's equal to -1, okay? And the calculator knows that. Now, the only drawback to being in the complex mode is that it's always going to put the A plus BI. So it's always going to have the real number and the complex number. So you have to keep that in mind. In other words, this answer is just -1, but it's 0i. Right, because there are no i's, right? Because I squared equals -1. Anyways, so a lot of you guys are multiplying complex numbers. So if I were to say 4 plus 3i times the quantity, let's do something kind of challenging. -2 minus 5i. All right. When I hit enter, it's just going to crank through and automatically give me the simplified complex number. And that's basically it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. You also, when you're in this mode, you can take the square root of negative numbers. In other words, if I say second in this little square root symbol here, and I put in -4, when I hit enter, it's going to give me the answer as 2i, right? So when you do quadratics, if you have a negative discriminant, you just got to switch over to complex numbers and plug that in, and it'll tell you exactly what it is. That's it. That's all I got today, guys.